So I wanted to do a quick little spring beat. I already put on skincare because I just came out the shower. So I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops, and then I have the Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 36. I want to make this quick, under 10 minutes, because as a mom, as a busy mom, I don't have time to play around. So I am gonna prime with some of my Danessa Myricks Blurring Skin Balm, and I'm just gonna put this in my T-zone, on my nose and in my forehead. This is the areas that I get oily. The last makeup tutorial video I did was on my graduation. I don't know why people feel like when people put up foundation or makeup videos, they need to comment about, I could never do this, that's a lot, that's too much make. Like, I didn't tell you to do this, and I didn't tell you to do it every day. I put specifically my graduation makeup. I said in my video, it is a special occasion makeup. So please, give me a break. I would either go in with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Tint, or I go in with the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. This have Broad Spectrum 50, and because this is summer and because I live in Florida, I am gonna go with the L'Oreal because it's gonna give me additional UV coverage, and I'm trying to get rid of these dark marks that I have, these sunspots that I have on my face. Are these both hazelnuts? Yes, they are. And I wanted to chat a little bit. So while I'm here, I think I can give you guys a little bit of update. Let me get up. I'm gonna put on some lip balm. This is the Laneige lip balm. So while I'm here, I will have to say that my life is changing, and I feel like it's changing for the good. And I've been very, let me turn on the light. Oh, why didn't I have the light on? So my life is changing, and it's changing for the better, I think. Every few years I have like this stick in the road where I feel like, bro, I don't want to do YouTube anymore, or I don't feel like YouTube should be a part of this part of my journey, or I'm outgrowing YouTube. I'm outgrowing, wanted to be seen, wanted to be heard, wanted to be just Sakosas, and this is in 03W, and quite frankly, the way that my life is going right now, I need to keep some form of privacy, some form of things to myself, but I still want to be transparent. I still want to share the experience, and then again, I don't want people in my business. This is the Hollywood Contour Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. So I feel like I've been stuck between a rock and a hard place as far as my content is concerned, as far as doing YouTube is concerned, and quite frankly, I feel like a lot of, just like my regular videos, as far as where fashion is concerned or lifestyle videos is concerned, they have not been making the views that I want them to make, and my commentary videos have been doing really well. And to be quite honest, lifestyle videos are my favorite type of content to produce. They're my favorite type of content to actually edit, to upload. I honestly feel like commentary videos like take a lot off my mental space and my energy, because even when I finish with the content as far as commentary, I still have some of the things on my mind. So whether it be a death, a killing, immigration update, anything like that, a lot of the times I will still have a lot of that stuff on my mind, in my unconscious mind, whether and I feel like it affects me. It affects me, it affects my emotions, it affects my day, it affects a lot of my life. So, which is why I stopped doing commentary videos for a long time, and I just started doing commentary again and taking it seriously and uploading content. I feel like December was when I really started doing it again consistently, and I don't know how to feel. I am one of the first YouTubers, Jamaican at that, to combine fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and commentary. And it's very murky waters. A lot of big brands don't like to partner, don't like to sponsor, don't like to support. Sorry, I'm not mad, but it makes it difficult. This is Anastasia Browiz, Beverly Hills in dark brown. It makes it very difficult to produce content, do content, and also find sponsors and do brand deals and stuff like that. And not only that, I feel like my life is very much in a transition phase. So that's that. I don't know how to feel really. I'm just bobbering on, but I don't know where this is going. But that's just how I feel really. This is Charlotte Tilbury powder in medium 02. I'm just gonna put this under my eye. Set it and forget it. I don't know where to go with my channel. I don't know what to do with myself and my content. I don't know if I still want to go in the same direction, mixing commentary and lifestyle content. I don't know which part of my life I want to share, especially now that my life is in a transition period and it's very much changing. I'm very confused. And hopefully I'm not confused by my birthday, because your girl is about to be a grown woman. She is about to have a 3 behind her age. And I feel like now more than ever, I need to have direction. I need to know what I'm doing. I need to know what I want out of YouTube content creation. But I'm still confused, and I'm giving myself grace. I'm giving myself grace because a lot of the time as Black women, we tend to put ourselves through a lot of pressures about having it all together, having it all figured out, and I'm just trying to figure it out as I go. And that's fine too. But if I'm talking about realistically, I want to know what I'm doing and where I'm going, and what the future holds as far as YouTube content creation and all of that is concerned, because if it is not in my future, I can focus and put my energy elsewhere. I can do other stuff, and I can just stick to doing short form content. If I really want to do content like that, I can do content on Instagram or TikTok or wherever, but because YouTube has been my first love and it has been in my life for a long time, I don't just want to give up and just let my channel die or anything like that. But that's my dilemma. Please tell me what you guys think in the comment section. I feel like people don't want realistic life. They want aesthetics. Sorry. They want aesthetics, and I'm not really at a place where I can provide aesthetics. I'm a mom, I go to school, I have household duties, I have things that I do outside of that with entertaining my kids, but and this is new. I'm gonna try this, and this is the Fenty Glow Gloss Balm Stick, and that's about it. I feel like my life isn't interesting, and only when I do certain things I can produce like vlog videos. I love how this looks. Shout out Miss Robin Fenty, okay? Love how this look. This is giving. This is giving exactly what I needed to give. And how many minutes? 12 something. So I think I completed my 10 minutes little makeup video. You could add some mascara, but I don't want to add any mascara because I feel like it makes my under eye look dark. So this is a nice little bronzy look. I got my hair done and I had to add in a few more tracks to make it a little bit thicker, and to blend my natural hair, because I feel like the hair that I got was a little bit too silky and it wasn't blending with my natural hair the way I wanted it to blend. So this is the look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for listening to me yap and chat. I will see you in the next video. So I wanted to do a quick haul. Some of the stuff is I bought, some of the stuff was gifted, and I want to talk about all the stuff because I feel like my interest is shifting also with my life, and I have a lot of body stuff and I have a lot of fragrances. Shout out to Anika, she gifted me so many amazing fragrance. Thank you, girl. I want to talk about those also. So let's talk about the one makeup thing that I have here. So the one makeup thing that I purchased is the Fenty Beauty, and this is the Gloss Stick High Shimmer, and this is in Fenty Glow. I have it on right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I feel like it's just a stick version of the Gloss Bomb. And if you want something that's less lip glossy and more lipsticky, this is going to be your friend. I love this. It looks amazing. I feel like all the colors look amazing. It's giving 90s makeup vibes. What else I'm going to talk about? Let's talk about TPH. So I wanted to invest in body care items because I feel like my self-care is going to be a very optimal part of this next phase of my life. I need to invest in self-care. And I'm talking about body care and taking care of my body. So I went to Walmart and I was browsing looking for bath bombs for the kids, and I came up on TPH, and this is Taraji P. Henson line, and she have a hair line and she have a body care line, and I got the spray, and it's Indulge Me, a seductive fragrance mist, and it's vanilla tuberose, and this is how it looks. It's just a fresh vanilla scent, and I feel like this could be paired with a lot of vanilla perfumes for layering, which is why I got it and I love it. Then I got the Anything Glows, a luxe but lightweight body oil, and it's vanilla tuberose also, and I will say I absolutely love this oil. It dries into your skin amazingly. It is everything. I love that. The next thing I picked up was the exfoliating body polish, and this is vanilla tuberose also. I haven't tried this yet, but I am going to try. It looks like either a sugar or salt scrub, and it's infused with oils and some minerals and some vanilla, and I am here for it. I also went in and got this is the Softer Than No Other Decadence Skin Silkening Body Butter, and this is vanilla tuberose also. This is how it comes. Haven't tried this yet either, but TPH stuff, because I feel like if I'm going to be invested in other people's body care items, I also need to invest in black owned brands. So while I'm picking up other stuff, I'm investing in our own. Also from Walmart, I got this aromatic pineapple, and this is from Dossier. If you guys don't know, I love Dossier. I first got into fragrances with Dossier, and a lot of my fragrances that I absolutely love and wear day to day are from Dossier still, and I need to re-up on my fragrances, but I love them, and they're the one that really got me into perfumes. Shout out to all the influencers, they influenced me. I got aromatic pineapple, and honestly they say this is a dupe for YSLY, and both me and Babe love this. I actually bought this for him because one of his perfumes is all gone, and I also bought him another kit for Kenneth and Cole, but that's a whole different story for a whole different day. I'll talk about why I gifted him this later, probably in a vlog, but those are the things that I got from Walmart. So I went into Marshall's and I saw these, and this is creme brulee, and this is from Le Monde Gourmand, and this is a 2.5 fluid ounce, and this is vegan, cruelty free, and this is I feel like this would be great for layering, but I feel like this is more of a fall winter scent. It's very warm. if you haven't known already, I am a gourmand girl. I love gourmand fragrances. I also like warm floral scents also. So I feel like creme brulee is very much a fall scent. It's giving vanilla and pumpkins and honey and cozy vibes. And then I got, this is from the same brand, and this is Bellini Phrase, and this is just a nice fresh scent. I feel like this would be perfect for a tween girl, or if you're a woman and you want something fresh, airy for spring. This would be amazing. I don't know the staying power of these because I just got them, and they are on the more affordable side. I got this one for $12.99. The creme brulee was $16.99, and the last one that I got is from Sand and Fog. I actually went into Marshalls to see if I saw the Sand and Fog oils, perfume oils, but I couldn't find it, and this was $13, and this is Sand and Fog inspired by the California Coast Bloom. And I absolutely love this. It smells amazing. I feel like this is a perfect, amazing scent for spring. I will say though, this particular scent for me do not last very long. I feel like max you're gonna get an hour, and then you're gonna have to reapply, and this is in a 3.38 fluid ounce, and I feel like this is worth it, especially if you have a tween. Like a tween girl would love this also. I feel like this is an amazing fragrance. I'm probably gonna have to go back and look because somebody's birthday is coming up and I could gift them one of those. Let's see. The next fragrance I got is Exalte by Fumi Monet, and this is from a lady that I follow on TikTok and also on Instagram, and she created her own fragrance. I absolutely love this, and I'm gonna compare it. If I'm talking about staying power, if I'm talking about what I feel like it smells like, what it has the same fragrance DNA, if you love YSL Libre, you're going to love this. I feel like the Fumi version is the female version of the YSL Libre. Honestly, to me, I feel like YSL Libre and YSL Libre Intense, this is the Intense version, lean very manly. I know they say it's a unisex scent, but it leans very manly for me, to me. And as you guys can see, I haven't used a lot of this fragrance. I actually told hubby he can use this because I don't love it like that. But since I bought this one, I feel like this is like the woman version of this. If you want to smell like a bad bee, if you are a boss bee, I feel like the Fumi one is for you. It has, I don't even know the notes in here, but it's an amazing fragrance. Definitely try it out. I want to try more black owned fragrances. I want to try Brown Girl Jane, and I also want to try Forever Mood because I ran up in Sephora and spent some money. First thing is first, I got the Josie Maran body butter in Topless Tangerine. This is a travel size. I wanted to see if I actually liked it before I went and bought the big tub, because I find that a lot of these body butters that these brands are creating, they are not moisturizing. Like, they'll give you a shine, they'll make your skin glisten, but they are not long lasting and moisturizing. So travel size, it's for me. And then I got the Josie Maran Sugar Argan Oil and Body Scrub, and I got it in the same, what is it called, scent, tangerine something. So Josie Moran, everybody's been raving about the body butter, and I picked up the scrub because I didn't see it in a travel size. And then the next body thing is this is the Fenty Skin Butter Drop. And I thought people were just hyping this up because I have the body cream and I love it, but I don't use it a lot because I feel like it's more of a summer spring body cream because I have extremely dry skin. I need something that's going to moisturize me good and moisturize me long, especially in the fall winter. And I feel like the Fenty cream butter drop or Fenty body butter is more of a spring summer body cream. But this Fenty Skin Butter Drop Hydrating Body, I love this. As you guys can see, I am running out. Like, this bottle is here and I just bought this. I absolutely love this. This is definitely for the spring girls. This is for the girls that want something light. This is for somebody that wants to be moisturized. This is for somebody. Just try it. You can't go wrong. Body thing I got is Nest Madagascar Vanilla Body Mist with Nourishing Bababu Oil. And I will say I got this as a way to layer. This was really affordable. It was like $39 and I couldn't pass it up. Vanilla bean, vanilla orchid, coconut, and it also comes with the oil, and I want the oil also. This is absolutely amazing, absolutely affordable and great for layering or just wearing on its own, and I feel like it lasts quite a bit. The next thing I got, and shout out to Anika because Anika sent me a whole bag of sample sizes of fragrances so I can figure out exactly what I like and what I don't like, because I go into Sephora and I smell some of the fragrances that everybody rave about and I hate them. So I got Vanilla Woods by 7 Virtue, and I actually had the tester that Anika sent to me and I used all of it, and I went to purchase the Big Mama. I absolutely love this. I will say that 7 Virtues, especially this one in particular, don't last that long. I can get 2 hours wear out of this and then I have to reapply, but it is a clean scent. It doesn't have a lot of alcohol, and scents that are clean don't normally have a lot. I went in and got some Touchland hand mist. So I got this one. What flavor is this? Did it say the flavor? No, I don't say the flavor. Lily of the Valley scented, and then this one is rainwater scented, and then this is the Touchland Power Essence hydrating body and hair fragrance mist. And I got this one thinking it was a actual hand mist sanitizer. I need to go get some more, like 2 more. I tend to take these with me, especially when I'm on the hospital or facility floor and I need to sanitize my hands, sanitize my face, not my face, sanitize my hands, sanitize any part of me. I absolutely love this. I keep one in my bag. I keep one to take with me. I think I'm gonna get 2 more so I can keep in the car. All that. I did not realize that this was a body mist, body and hair fragrance. And then the last and final things I got from Sephora were some lip things. So I got this Laneige lip glowy balm, and I have a lot of these. I think I have like 3 or 4. Unfortunately for me, my daughter used them and I lost a lot of the lids and stuff like that. So I got this one. This one is in berry. This is actually for Milani, but I took it back because she lost the lids of the other one that I had. So she can get it to use it sparingly. I bought her some cheaper lip balms. And then I got Topicals Slick Slav Mint Balm. And I picked this up and there was a lot of controversy about this lip balm, so I waited. But this is worth all the hype. This actually stays on my lip amazing. This is bomb. I see people saying how it's too thick or it's gloopy or it leaves white stuff. It doesn't do any of that on my lips. It's absolutely amazing. And I feel like if you have another lip balm and you feel like it's not gonna stay long on your lips, layer it with this, and this is gonna keep it in place. Like, let's get into the stuff that was gifted to me. And if you guys don't know, Jimmy Choo I Want You is my favorite fragrance. It's like my signature scent. She got me a big Mama Jama bottle, so thank you to Anika for that. This is a 3.3 fluid ounce. Like, girl, this is the big mama one, okay? I can never be out of my Jimmy Choo I Want You, and I was running low on my original one. And then she got me the Prada Paradox, and this is the big mama one too, and this is in the intense version, and I have the regular version. It is actually half. The regular version is half, and she got me the big mama one in the intense version. And I will say, I love the intense version. The intense version kind of lean more summer, more fall, winter to me, but I love it. I love that it has the Prada scent DNA, and I feel like the original version is more of a spring summer scent. And then she got me the Valentino Born in Roma, and this is in the dark version. I think this is in the intense version, but this one. And she got me the big mama one too. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce, and I absolutely love this. I love I love Valentino Born in Roma. I think the only one that I've smelled that I didn't like was the green one, but she got me this one, and it is absolutely amazing. Love, love, love. She picked out fragrances that I love and just gifted me bigger versions or the intense version, and I totally appreciate it. I love you for that, girl. And then she gave me the small black opium, and this is YSL. And this is, I'm wearing a 3-piece suit. I work in corporate America. When I walk in the room, I want everyone to smell me, everyone to see me, everyone to know that I'm there. I mean business, okay? This is a bad bitch scent, and I absolutely love this. I love this black opium. It smells amazing. So, and then this is the YSL Eau Parfum, and this is YSL Myself. So if you want your woman to skin out her pum pum, if you want your woman to lick you from head to toe, if you want your woman to just act crazy because you smell so good, buy this. And Anika said this for me and said I could give it to baby if I want to or if I didn't want to, and I gave it to him. But honestly, I would wear this, and I'm a woman, but this is amazing scent for men, okay? If you want the girl them go mad, get this. This is amazing perfume. And then the last and final one is the Tom Ford Black Orchid. I feel like this fragrance have a lot of black currant and musk in it, and it's kind of strong, so I gave it to Babe to also. But this fragrance is absolutely a great fragrance for men also. I feel like this is very unisex leaning, and she did her big one with gifting me these fragrances. I absolutely love you, girl. Thank you. With that being said, that is all the things that I have been buying. I've been buying this stuff over, I think, 3 or 4 months, from Christmas all the way up to now. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.